I am here with this chili plant. From few videos I'm not cutting this chilies, so that's because to make a pickle today. It's not for the pickle, but we should let this chilies turn into red. After that I'm gonna cut them. I thought like that. So you all will cut when it is green, right? But I thought I would cut it red because it tastes so good with red color only. So you can see the plant which I kept in this container. So there are many plants came here, and you can see this is our plant. And so now let's cut it. That's it in this plant. Let's go to our backyard and cut them also. Hello all, namaste. I'm back in my backyard, and you can see beautiful chilies were coming, and as I told, I'm gonna harvest this one. Let's harvest them. You can see these are green chilies, so let's cut them also. They're so beautiful, right? You can see, right, these are gongura flowers, birds, whatever we call them, and so let's cut them now. So let's start it. And you can see, right, in this we will have gongura seeds. This is gongura seed. So we'll throw it and they will grow again. This is red gongura, so we are having this red amazing birds, and this is white gongura, so we are having white birds, so we'll cut them also. I think so this is the first time our basket full of harvest, and with these all ingredients we are going to make a chutney, as I told, like a pickle. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. In case you are, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.